Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on the drawing sets. I know some of you may want to use it, and I know I got a question on them on how to set them up. So I'm just gonna make this real quick. So basically, you have your drawing sets down here on the bottom right corner of your charts, and basically when you click it, you'll notice that all you have is the default, and which is pretty much nothing. And that's exactly the way I want it, because I want to be able to quickly come back to my default drawing set and there's nothing on my charts. So what you're going to do here is just go ahead and click create new drawing set. You're going to get the pop-up for create new drawing set. And here I'm going to just go ahead and name it BoxIn. So I'm going to go ahead and make the BoxIn for Netflix. So you're going to click create. And then you're going to go ahead and select your tool. So in this case, we're going to select the price line. And we're going to just go ahead and draw two lines, right? And these you're going to have to just move automatically every morning. You're just going to move them to the correct location when you're boxing something in, for example. So then you're going to go ahead and double click on the lines, and then you're going to adjust it, change the name. So break high. And then I'm going to change the color to green. And you can set these up whichever way you want. This is just how I like it. And then I want to show the name on the left. So, okay. And then on the bottom one, you're going to just pretty much do the same thing. Go ahead and rename it to sell or buy puts, break low. Okay, show the name on the left as well. And I'm going to go ahead and change it to this line here. And then when you are in play and you want to adjust these, you can just go ahead and right click and then create alert with drawing. That's what I do. That way I don't miss the alert or the notion, because I'm not looking at every chart all the time. I just set my alerts. That's why I said it in the video before. I normally didn't actually draw these. I'm just doing these visually so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. But normally I would just create an alert on top and on the bottom, and that's it. But now I adjust the alerts so that I know exactly what kind of alert it is. So you may hear all these different sounds. It's because I want to know, I want to be alerted to what kind of action is going on. So I want to know exactly what is giving me that alert. So whether it's a tick, whether it's a VIX, whether it's a stop loss being triggered. So everything has a different sound so that I know exactly what it is. And then once these are created on one chart, you can just go ahead and apply it on all the others. So you see here, it'll appear as BoxIn. So it'll be there and at the same place. So you only have to move it once, and then that's all you have to do. And then you can go ahead and click default, and it'll make it disappear. Make it disappear. And then you just do the same thing, guys. If you want to create a new set, so create new set, and then just go ahead and create your stop limit. Stop/limit. All right, and then you go ahead and repeat the process once again. Go ahead and draw your stop, and then go ahead and draw your limit, and then go ahead and change the color of those as well, and then you'll be all set. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do, guys, to set up your drawing sets. If you want to use those, for those of you who like that strategy or that system, you can go ahead and use something like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.